Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings with Windows plus I. Once the Settings window appears, go straight to Time and Language, then Speech. You need to locate the voice typing shortcut and the toggle that enables the feature. Make sure to keep the Settings window visible. This is where you will turn off the activation method. Once done, you will change both the shortcut and the service toggle to prevent accidental activation, so pay attention to each control. Now you disable the core features. Turn off the voice typing toggle to stop the service from listening. Next, check for any automatic transcription or background access settings and switch those off so processes don't run silently. If Settings shows a keyboard shortcut option for Windows key plus H, unassign or disable it. This prevents accidental triggers. Make sure to apply changes and wait a few seconds for Windows to update. Finish by testing. Press Windows plus H to confirm voice typing no longer appears. This verifies the shortcut is disabled. If it still opens, restart Windows Explorer or reboot. Make sure to save work first. If the feature reactivates, suspect group policy or a registry setting, especially on managed devices, you may need admin rights to change those. Finally, make sure microphone privacy settings don't override your choices, and then you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.